This is OPPO A3 and today I'll show how you can enter the power saving mode on this device. So first method is to launch the control panel and look for find the power saving tile or shortcut and press it to switch it on or off. Then you can also launch your device's settings, enter battery category, and go into the power saving mode preferences and enable or disable this feature from here. You can also manage the power saving mode options, like automatically turn off power saving mode when the battery is charged to 90%, turn on at specified battery level, or from here you can also switch on or off the super power saving mode, which will make the power saving even more extreme and strip your system down to its bare bones, to the bare minimum functionality, so you can stretch your battery for as long as this phone allows you to. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.